English together.
Cooking.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making pizza.
Nice. I love pizza. What do we do first?
First, we make the dough. Let's mix the flour, water, and yeast.
Okay, I'll mix it.
Great, now we roll the dough.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now we toss the dough.
Toss it? Really?
Yes, like this, see?
Wow.
Now let's put the dough on the tray.
Done. What's next?
Now we add toppings. First, spread the tomato sauce. Then we add cheese and your favorite toppings.
I love mushrooms. What do you like?
I like peppers. Great, now let's bake it.
How long?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, while we wait, let's make a salad.
Good idea.
First, chop the cucumber and tomato. Then mix everything together.
It looks really good.
Look, the pizza is ready. It looks delicious.
Thanks for watching. Remember to re-watch the video and note down any cooking vocabulary you want to learn.
And we'll see you again next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.